welcome back to Offbeat Discoveries. I'm Marquet.
And I'm Dale.
It's October of 2023.
You know what that means, baby.
Ooh yeah, fall colors.
Fall colors. Join us as we discover a pit stop off the Blue Ridge Parkway.
It was a beautiful day with deep blue skies and wispy white clouds when we set out to find this particular fresco painting in this particular little country church. A true fresco painting is one of the most challenging of all art forms. Fresco is Italian for fresh because they use wet plaster that is fresh and apply it to the wall, and while it's still wet, colored mineral pigments are painted into the plaster. Because the pigments bond so quickly into the plaster, great skill and meticulous plans are required. And there's no room for error either, because you can't paint over any mistakes. In our quest to find this fresco, we drove north and hopped on the Blue Ridge Parkway at Blowing Rock, North Carolina. This national scenic byway stretches 469 miles between Cherokee, North Carolina and Rockfish Gap, Virginia. The maximum speed limit along the parkway is 45 miles an hour. On this two-lane pristine road, there are oodles of turnouts that are all very well marked. And so many pretty little things to see all along the way. There's also a ton of overlooks. I mean, here's one that is gorgeous because it overlooks the Blue Ridge Mountains, and you can see that hazy, gorgeous blue. Oh, so pretty. And it made us both feel like we were standing on top of the world. We enjoyed the colorful leaves all along the parkway, and then we made a pit stop in West Jefferson, North Carolina to find something cool that comes from cows. Cheese! Well, as you can see, the Ashe County Cheese Company is easily identified. They also have a viewing room where you can go and watch them making the cheese. And in that same little room, there's a monitor where they loop a presentation with both audio and video of the entire cheese making process. Across the street from the factory facility, they have a retail outlet. Yeah. Yeah, we got some booty. Can anybody say cheese? Okay, so we were tempted to just jump in the car and head towards that church to see the fresco, but we got distracted by the pretty things in town, like these things. Well, that was fun. Well, after that, we just jumped in the car, and it was a short drive over to St. Mary's Church. And I was about ready to jump out of my skin with anticipation. I wanted to see that fresco so bad. But finally, at long last, we quietly entered through the red door and finally got to view the fresco that Benjamin Long IV created back in the 1970s, along with a couple of others. And here they are. We hit the road again, driving over to Glendale Springs, North Carolina, to see yet another fresco by Benjamin Long. It only took about 15 minutes to get there, but on the way, I was comparing my own art techniques to frescoes. I paint with acrylics. Here's one of my paintings. When I paint over and over, repaint, overpaint, paint again. So when thinking about a fresco as a one-shot deal, in no time we were at the Holy Trinity Episcopal Church. It's yet another small country church that passers-by may not even know of the hidden treasure within. I walked up to it, went through a canopy, and found that the entrance is over on the back right. Again, I was full of anticipation, but I had no idea. I wasn't prepared for the glory I was about to see. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Wow, that was astonishing. I just have to tell you, I feel so fortunate just to have seen these frescoes in person. Wow. So, loaded down with cheese, wonderful visions of ancient art techniques, and glorious colored leaves, we drove back down the mountain and back to South Kakalaki. Wow. Oh, that was really cool. I
that
love
was
those
awesome.
frescoes. Were so nice.
Beautiful, beautiful stuff.
So what do you think we should give this one, honey?
How about some cheese?
Oh, yeah.
Squeaky cheese.
Thank you for joining our travels, and we'll see you on our next Offbeat Discovery.
You sure my hair's okay?
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, okay.
And we made a couple pit stops. Nope. Okay. Join us as we discover.
Pit stop.
Okay.
Fall colors.
Join us.
You dropped the F-bomb.